morning, everyone. I'm Leslie Shrujna, a proud student of Amravati Public School. Our school is not just a place to study, but a place where students learn responsibility, respect, confidence, discipline. Our teacher encourages every student to do their best in academics as well as in extracurricular activities. Our school provides a friendly and peaceful learning environment to make students feel comfortable and motivated to learn. Our school not only focuses on quality education but also focuses on sports and physical activities. This is our Amaravati Cricket Academy. This is our vast playground. This is our open auditorium where cultural programs and several activities are held. We are encouraged to think creatively, work as a team, and participate confidently in every activity. The values we learn here help us become better students and better human beings. Join Amravati Public School and grow with knowledge.